Hello and welcome back if you're a returning viewer to the channel. WB here, and in this video what I want to do is show you how you can create a Cloud PKI inside of Microsoft Intune without all the extra infrastructure. And as always, I encourage you, if you like what you see here on the channel, make sure that you subscribe, click the notification bell so you're aware of all the new episodes that are coming out. Remember to like, share, and comments are welcome as well. And join us on our community Discord server, link in the description below. What do you say, everybody? It's time. Let's dive in. Right, here we are, everybody, on my Windows desktop here, and we're going to create a Cloud PKI. And to do this, we're going to go ahead. We are going to choose Tenant Administration here. And fourth down from the top here is Cloud PKI. We're going to go ahead and select that. And if you have any CAs already created, you'll see them in the list here. So for instance, I can see I have a root CA. I can see what its name is and the issuance here. And if I wanted to, I could select that one. And I could see some of the basic information about it, including what kind of CA it is, what the utilization is, the extended key usage. You can see this is for server authentication. You can also see the validity period, 10 years, the expiration date, as well as the key size and algorithm. And if I wanted to, I could download this certificate and we could take a look at it if we wanted to. And I don't have the root certificate installed, so it's not going to be trusted on my Windows machine. But I could see the details as well, including the certification path here likewise too. Now let's go ahead. Let's go back up to Cloud PKI, and we'll go ahead and create us a PKI here. Now I'm going to go ahead and name this. I'll call this Southeast US. I don't know what, just call it Cloud PKI, and I'm going to do an 01 just in case I want to create another one after the fact. And then we'll go ahead and choose next. All right, let me go ahead and kind of zoom in here. There are a few different things that we're going to configure here. Don't worry about this little error. This interface gets a little impatient. You haven't even configured anything yet, and it's already throwing an error. So the first thing that we're going to do is select our CA type, and we could select whether this is going to be a root CA or is it going to be an issuing CA, and I could select one or the other. For instance, I could select a root CA, and then what is the validity period of this CA? So I could say 10 years if I wanted to, and then I could define what the extended key usage is, right? So I'd have to select at least one here, but I could do client authentication, I could do server authentication. This could be my SMIME here, so I could use this, let's say if I wanted to use it for email protection, I could. But that's all up to you in what you use it for. And we could also configure the attributes. Again, the common name here, I might call this, again, Southeast, let's say US PKI 01. Just give it a name there, a common name. And if we wanted the country and some of the additional information here too. And then here's where we can set the key size and the algorithm for the CA here, the root CA. I'm going to go ahead and put RSA 4096 and SHA 512. And then we could choose next after this. And if you want to delegate administrative access to this certificate authority, you could use your scope tags. I'm going to go ahead and just leave the default here. Choose next, and now we have the review and create. This is one of those interfaces where I always tell you to pay attention to the review and create interface, because you want to make sure that your settings are correct. In this one, you will not be able to change these, so make sure they are correct. If you need to modify certain settings here, you're going to have to delete this CA and recreate it from the beginning. We can choose create here, and if everything goes okay, we'll see that we have created our certificate authority here. And we can see it's now in the list. And just like we looked at the one when we first started here, we can see that we've got it configured according to those configurations we mentioned. And again, I could download this certificate, look at it, install it if I wanted to. But there you have it. End-to-end when it comes to Cloud PKI and how we can configure that inside of Microsoft Intune. As always, I encourage you, if you like what you see on the channel, remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Click that notification button so that you'll be aware of all of the episodes coming out. And look in the description as well. There's the community Discord server link. Love to continue the conversation with you here. Thank you so much for taking the time and joining me.